Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure WhatsApp is updated, because newer builds handle documents better. Once done, unlock your phone and open the chat that contains the file. This narrows the search immediately. Make sure to confirm the sender and timestamp so you open the intended document and avoid confusion. Tap the attachment icon or media preview to reveal documents. You do this first to avoid downloading multiple files and to keep your storage and privacy under control as you proceed. Once you see the document, tap the download button and monitor the progress bar. Downloads can pause on weak networks. After the file finishes, use WhatsApp's built-in preview for quick reading because it saves time and avoids extra apps. If you need editing or advanced features, choose Open With and pick a compatible app like a PDF viewer or Office Suite. Make sure to verify the file type. PDFs open differently than docx, so you pick the right tool for accurate rendering. To finish, save the document for later. Tap the share or save icon and choose a local folder or cloud service, because that preserves access outside WhatsApp. If you need others to see it, forward or export the file directly from the chat. If something goes wrong, the download stalls or opens incorrectly, first toggle Wi-Fi or mobile data, then retry. If that fails, ask the sender to resend or rename the file. This fixes most common transfer or compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.